bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is crying. Uganda is crying.
Abo be bannayuganda bawangalira mu ggwanga erya Amerika basazeewo okulaga obutali bumativu bwabwe. Bagamba nti ensonga eno ekutte wansi ne waggulu ey'okulaba nga abazungu bano bwe bafandinga nakyemalira Yoweri Museveni. Ensimbi ze bamuwa zikozesebwa okutulugunya munnayuganda ekibajja enviiri ku mutwe okulaba nga buli kaseera babeera mu kwekalakaasa, kyokka ate wayita akaseera katono nnyo atuwulira nti abazungu Museveni bamusazeeko obuyambi. Ate kaseera mpawe kaaga nga Museveni avaayo yeewaana World Bank etuwaddeyo obuwumbi bwa $, bwe buti. Ekyo kitanudde bannayuganda okugenda World Bank ne beekalakaasa. Babuuza abazungu bano nti mmwe temumanyi bifa waka mu Uganda? Okutulugunyizibwa kwammwe mukufunamu ddi? Bwe tutulugunyizibwa mmwe mwongera kufandinga nakyemalira tutulugunya? Bavudde basalawo okujja ku World Bank okulaga obutali bumativu bwabwe. Katusuubire nti ku mulundi guno abazungu bano banaabamwako obuntu ne balekerawo okufandinga nakyemalira kuba ebbanga ddene bazze batulimbalimba nti omukulu bamusazeeko obuyambi. Kyokka ate mu kaseera ke kamu omukulu n'avaayo ne yeewaana World Bank emwongedde ensimbi. Haji Setuba omusomi w'edduwa tambula naye mu pulogulaamu zaffe ennungi. Haji Setuba omulimu gwe omukulu gwa kusoma dduwa. Baasomeddeko ku dduwa bamuweera obujulizi nti wama edduwa ze zikola. Gw'atanaba kusomera ku dduwa munoonyeeko ku 0703 31 39 25.
Military aid comes from US, and you are paying. You are dying. We shall not stop telling you what you need to do. Stop sponsoring Museveni.
Stop funding a dictator.
Stop funding the dictator.
Stop funding the dictator.
Stop funding the dictator.
Stop funding our prisons.
Stop funding Museveni.
Stop funding the dictator.
Stop funding Museveni.
Stop funding our prisons. Stop funding Museveni. Stop funding Museveni. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power. Stop fighting Museveni. Stop fighting the dictator.
Ab'ebipande badde mu maaso bonna. Ab'ebipande mudde mu maaso. Buli alina ekipande buli alina ekipande jangu wano mu maaso kiriko ebigambo.
The IMF and World Bank have continued to sponsor the government of Uganda. Uganda is taking on loans on behalf of people who are suffering. The money is being diverted. The dictator is diverting money to his family. His family is taking all the money instead of doing the projects that the money is meant to do. The IMF and World Bank gave Uganda loans during the COVID pandemic. The
Up to
money was
now.
diverted. We haven't had a complete audit from the IMF, but Ugandans are still going to be in debt for that money. Then in 2022, the World Bank and IMF gave Uganda $608 million US. That money was meant for
Shame.
the money was supposed to work on rural electricity. Unfortunately, that money was diverted. We demand an audit. We demand that the IMF holds Uganda accountable. We demand that all the money that was supposed to be given to Uganda this year should be put on hold. We know that Uganda sent its agents here to talk about the plight of Ugandans, but they don't really mean it. They
Let
came
them
here
know,
to lobby
brother.
for themselves.
Let them know.
Government officials who have been here hiding, making secret deals with European banks, we shall not allow. We shall not stop here in the US, but we shall go to the streets of Europe to demand the European banks stop funding Museveni. We shall also put a demand on the European banks that are hiding with Museveni ministers that they should stop. So we demand a complete audit on all loans that have been given to Uganda immediately. And we are asking for the World Bank and IMF to put a hold on any loans that the government of Uganda is asking for. Starting from today, we shall be here, we shall not stop. Uganda is bleeding.
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 World Bank is funding.
World Bank is funding.
Wake up, World Bank.
Wake up, World Bank.
Wake up, World Bank.
Wake up, World Bank.
Wake up, IMF.
Wake up, IMF.
Wake up, IMF.
Wake up, IMF.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
Ugandans dying, you are funding.
Ugandans dying, you are funding.
Wake up, World Bank.
Wake up, World Bank.
You are funding, we are dying.
You are funding, we are dying.
Hi, Jeje.
Wake up, IMF.
You are funding, we are dying. You are funding, we are dying. Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
You are funding, we are dying.
You are funding, we are dying.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Miss Treasurer, how are you? I'm trying to see if I get... Okay. How are you? Good. I'm good. I'm Williams. I'm in charge of communications. What do I have to do to get photos from you? Yeah, my president is not here, but we lost to know what's going on. Yep. Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Appreciate it. Yes, ma'am.
I want a picture here where, but I want.
I'm on a live video. I'm on a live. Oh, you want to follow the police? Is that what it was? I have over 300 people watching you, so you're good.
Yes.
We were told that Africa is independent.
Yes.
60 years ago,
Yes. We will
Not bad, we want John Bosco.
our destiny in our hands.
Yes.
60 years ago,
Yes.
we were told that we have the keys to
Yes.
our nations.
Yes.
But 60 years later,
Yeah.
we are buried in days.
Yes.
Our fathers and sisters are buried in days.
Shame.
Our mothers are buried in
Shame
days.
on you.
Africa pays 75
Shame
billion
on you.
dollars
We are tired.
financing days.
Yes.
Africa is in debt.
Sure.
Yes.
Uganda is in debt.
Yes. And it's bleeding.
Kenya is in debt.
Yes.
Tanzania is in debt.
Yes.
Zimbabwe is in debt.
Yes.
Africa is in debt.
Yes.
Egypt is in debt.
Yes.
So I'm in charge of communications.
Yes.
That's our president. He's the elected president, so we're fighting against a dictator.
Yes. Enough.
And IMF keep paying, the World Bank keep funding them.
Trillion shillings in debt.
Yes.
I want to get a picture from you.
Yes.
The World Bank told us we are building roads.
Yes.
That roads in Uganda.
Contract, I can get a contract for yes. Yes, so I can actually, like I give you whatever message you need. I can pay you if I need. I have our Facebook, Twitter, Facebook.
Tell us to are building schools. Do we have schools in Uganda that are part
Strip clubs in Uganda.
They told us we are building hospitals.
Yes.
Do we have functioning hospitals in Uganda?
We have a road in Uganda.
We're asking the World Bank to stop financing the year.
Yes.
On Facebook, you will see me on number 4. You see it's a lot. I just found a lot of people got my name. The man you see, my wife has a number 4. That's it. Pick it up. You need emails? That's good. The email is Shine Mary Payman. My last name is Williams. Well, the email is SHYMA.
We are here because we say enough is enough.
No more debt.
Yeah, so I do need okay, we're gonna find you anyway. I need to get like some pages like written. So if you do, I expect to be a fair last. You can definitely get me out. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No more debt.
No more debt.
No more debt.
No more debt. No more death. No more death. No more death. No more loans.
Secretary there.
No more loans. No more loans. No more Uganda. No more death. No more loans. We don't want the loans from the World Bank. No more loans from World Bank. No more loans from World Bank.
No more loans from the World Bank.
No more loans from World Bank. No more loans from World Bank. No more loans from IMF. 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 No more loans from World Bank. 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 Uganda's bleeding, you are paying. 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 Ugandans are suffering, 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 you are paying. Cry, cry, Africa. Cry, cry, Africa. Cry, cry, Africa. Cry, cry, Africa. Cry, cry, Uganda. Cry, cry, Uganda. Cry, cry, Uganda. Cry, cry, Uganda. Uganda's bleeding, you are paying. Uganda's bleeding, you are paying. Africa's bleeding, you are paying. Africa's bleeding, you are paying. Enough is enough. 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 Stop financing corruption. Stop financing corruption. Stop financing corruption. Stop financing corruption. Stop financing dictators. Stop financing dictators. Stop financing dictators. Stop financing dictators. Stop financing mafias. Stop financing mafias. Stop financing our suffering. Stop financing our suffering. Uganda is bleeding, you are paying. 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 Where is Joe Biden? Where is Joe Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Joe Biden? Where is Joe Biden? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is Kamara? Where is AU? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is the World Bank? Where is the World Bank? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is the IMF? Where is the IMF? You're treasuring our suffering. Where is bleeding? Where is bleeding? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Where is UN? Where is UN? Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. You funding, we are dying, they are kidnapping us, that's raping us,
Come on.
for power. We shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown in the new Uganda. Oh, Salome, Balumbye,
People power, our power, people power, people power, our power, NUP,
everywhere,
NUP,
everywhere,
NUP.
Our president.
People power,
Our power,
people power, people power. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to demand change.
yes,
For too long,
yes,
the IMF
yes,
and World Bank
yes,
have prioritized profit over people,
yes,
perpetuating inequality and oppression.
yes,
This is happening in Uganda,
yes,
where loans have propped up bank regimes,
yes,
and in countless other countries,
yes,
where economic stability
yes,
has come at the cost of human rights.
yes.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
It is time to reform.
It's time to reform.
We need institutions that put human rights first.
Yes,
That prioritize human rights, dignity, over profits and margins.
yes,
We need transparency,
yes,
accountability.
shameful era. For too long, the IMF and World Bank have enabled tyranny, propping up corrupt regimes with loans and assistance. They've ignored human rights abuses, suppressed dissent, and perpetuated inequality. In Uganda, for years, banks have funded military adventures, suppressed political opposition, and enriched the ruling elite. Meanwhile, the people suffer with limited access to health care, education, and basic services. It's time to stop financing operations. The IMF and World Bank must prioritize human rights, transparency, and accountability. They must condition their loans on tangible reforms, not just empty promises. We Ugandans stand together and demand a world where human rights are valued above profit. Let us push for future where economic development and stability are achieved through the empowerment of people, not their exploitation. Reform the IMF and World Bank now. Let us create a world where human rights are a foundation of our global economy, not after though. Together, we can make it happen. We demand an end to business as usual. Let us work together to create a world where international institutions support the people, not tyrants. Let us build a future where economic development serves the humanity, not the powerful. IMF and World Bank, stop enabling tyranny. Stand with us for a better world. Feel free to modify it to fit your needs and audience. But remember to be patient and persuasive when delivering the speech.
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power! People power! People power! Demonstration, mama! People power! People power! Museveni tukusiwa! People power!
World Bank! IMF! You see these people here?
I'm busy.
They've been missing since 2001.
Yes!
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 The money that you sent to sponsor the elections that were happening in Uganda,
Yes!
they killed these people.
Yes!
Funding Museveni.
Stop funding Museveni! Stop funding Museveni! Stop funding Museveni! Yes!
Every day they spend over $1 billion.
Yes!
Taxpayer money.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Stop.
Stop! Yes!
Free all political prisoners.
Free all prisoners!
Fellow Ugandans, fellow Ugandans, fellow Ugandans,
Yes, sir!
fellow Ugandans,
Yes!
fellow Ugandans.
Yes!
I'm going to read the names of these people.
Yes!
These are the people who are disappeared
Yes!
by the Museveni regime.
By the Museveni Mafia government!
We also have names of people
Yes!
who have been in jail
Yes.
for 4 years
Yes!
without any justice,
Yes!
without trial,
Yes!
without rule of law.
Yes!
So these are the names.
Yes! Read them!
When I read the name, it says, bring back our people.
Okay!
Bring back our people. These are the list of the Ugandans who have been abducted
And kidnapped!
by the Museveni regime, which is financed by the World Bank
Yes!
and IMF.
You have blood on your hands!
Moses Mabasi.
Bring back our people!
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 Dennis Stimula.
Bring back our people!
Dennis Stimula.
Bring back our people!
Dennis Stimula.
Bring back our people!
Shafik Wangolo.
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 Bring back our people!
Martin Lukwago.
Bring back our people!
Martin Lukwago.
Bring back our people!
Martin Lukwago.
Bring back our people!
Peter Chiria.
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 Bring back our people!
John Damulira.
Bring back our people!
John Damulira.
Bring back our people!
John Damulira. Bring back our people. 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 Bring back our people.
John Bosco Chibalama.
Bring back our people.
John Bosco Chibalama.
Bring back our people.
John Bosco Chibalama.
Bring back our people.
Nabanja.
Bring back our people.
Vincent Nalumoso.
Bring back our people.
Vincent Nalumoso.
Bring back our people.
Vincent Nalumoso.
Bring back our people.
You the same picture.
Bring back our people.
You the same picture.
Bring back our people.
You the same picture.
Bring back our people.
Musisimboa.
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 Bring back our people.
Mustafa Luwemba.
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 Bring back our people.
Hassan Mubiru.
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 Bring back our people.
Isma Sestazi.
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 Bring back our people.
Godfrey Chisambo.
Bring back our people.
George Kasumba.
Bring back our people.
George Kasumba.
Bring back our people.
Godfrey Chisambo.
Bring back our people.
Godfrey Chisambo.
Bring back our people.
George Kasumba.
Bring back our people.
Joseph Maguma.
Bring back our people.
Joseph Maguma.
Bring back our people.
John Bosco Chibalama.
Bring back our people.
John Bosco Chibalama.
Bring back our people.
Fellow Ugandans.
Yes.
Fellow Ugandans.
Yes.
We have Ugandans who have been in jail
Yes.
for over 4 years
Yes.
without justice,
Yes.
without trial.
Yes.
These are their names.
Shame upon you. Yes.
Yasin Chestorico.
Bring back our people.
Yasin Chestorico.
Free
Free
our
our
people.
people.
Yasin Chestorico.
Free our people.
Yasin Chestorico.
Free our prisoners.
Free political 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 prisoners.
Robert Christopher Ogumayo.
Free political prisoners.
Robert Christopher Ogumayo.
Free political prisoners.
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 Ronald Maiga.
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 Free political prisoners.
Patrick Mwasa.
Free political prisoners.
Patrick Mwasa.
Free political prisoners.
Patrick Mwasa.
Free political prisoners.
Simon Chijambo.
Free political prisoners.
Simon Chijambo.
Free political prisoners.
Simon Chijambo.
Free political prisoners.
Abdu Matovu.
Free political prisoners.
Abdu Matovu.
Free political prisoners.
Bring back our people.
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 Bring back our people, Museveni.
Back is standing.
No.
Bring back our people.
Bring back our people.
Bring back our people.
Bring back our people.
Richard Nyombi.
Bring back our people.
Richard Nyombi.
Bring back our people.
Richard Nyombi.
Bring back our people.
Olivia Lutaya.
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 Bring back our people.
Ronald Chijambo.
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 Bring back our people.
Sharif Kalanzi.
Bring back our people.
Sharif Kalanzi.
Bring back our people. People power. People power. Where is Joe Biden?
Where is Biden?
Uganda's bleeding. Uganda's bleeding. Where is Blinken?
Where is Blinken?
Uganda's bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Where is World Bank? Uganda's bleeding. Uganda's bleeding. Where is IMF? Where is IMF? Uganda's bleeding. Uganda's bleeding. IMF is funding.
IMF is funding.
Ugandans are dying.
Ugandans are dying.
World Bank is funding.
World Bank is funding.
Where is Joe Biden?
Where is Joe Biden?
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Where is Blinken?
Where is Blinken?
is bleeding. US is funding.
US is funding.
Nobody is sleeping. Blinken is sleeping.
Blinken is sleeping.
Wake up, Joe Biden.
Wake up, Joe Biden.
Wake up, Blinken. Wake up, UN. Wake up, Amnesty International. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. We are dying. We are dying. We have been raped. People power. Yeah. All right. We'll be back. We'll be right back. People power. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. People power. People power. This is the last message to World Bank again. We'll be back until you stop funding Museveni. We'll keep visiting you until you stop funding Museveni.
We'll be back tomorrow, yesterday, past 10, continuous, and continuous.
For the last 5 years, we've been here. We're not stopping. We'll see you again. Peace out.
People power. People power. People power. Our power. Our power. Our power. Our power. People power. People power.
As you can see, you have the right to free peaceful protest. And as you can see, the whole street will be closed down to give you a pass. They'll close up your whole street because you are allowed under the Constitution to peacefully demonstrate and peacefully protest. These are our escorts to where we want to go.
Wake up, World Bank! Wake up, World Bank! You are funding, we are dying.
You are paying, we are funding.
Wake up, World Bank! Wake up, World Bank! Wake up, IMF! You are funding, we are dying.
Can you order for real quick?
Wake up,
Can you hold my shit real quick?
Lieutenant! Wake up, Lieutenant!
Wake up, world leaders. Ugandans are dying. You are quiet. There's no peace.
People power! Our power! People power! Our power! People power!
Our power.
People power!
Our power.
People power!
Our power.
People power!
Again, this is what happens when you have freedom to exercise your constitution. We have where all the roads will be closed off to make sure you are able to peacefully protest. As you can see, we have our own escort. Unlike the dead 1995 constitution in Uganda, where you're not even allowed to peacefully protest, they will close off all the roads, incoming traffic, make sure you can peacefully protest. IMF is funding.
Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding. US is funding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. US is funding.
US is funding.
People power.
Our power!
People power.
Our power!
People power.
Our power!
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding!
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding!
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders!
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding!
US is funding.
US is funding!
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding!
Yeah, we take up a whole street. It's all our street today.
Wake up, world leaders. Wake up, world leaders. Wake up, world leaders. Wake up, world leaders. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding. Uganda is bleeding.
Where's the music? They will put on music or use the walkers.
Wake up, world leaders.
Where is Joe Biden? Where is Kamala?
Where is Kamara?
Where is Blinken?
Where is Blinken?
Stop your silence.
Stop your silence.
Uganda, we are dying.
Uganda, we are dying.
IMF is funding.
IMF is funding.
World Bank is funding.
World Bank is funding.
Stop your silence.
Stop your silence.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
Do something about Uganda.
Do something about Uganda.
Do something about Uganda.
As you can see, when you have
Wake up, world leaders.
your own constitution that works, you actually have people that will let you protest, peacefully protest. We walk in the middle of the whole street, as you can see.
America is funding.
Escort in the front and the back. And we have escort in the front. This police is reserved just for you to peacefully protest. As you can see, you can shut down the street if you have to. They will shut down the street for you to make sure you peacefully protest to get your point across. Unlike Uganda, where the dictator suppresses Uganda's constitution under Article 3 and 29, where they're allowed to peacefully protest.
We are dying. We are dying.
Wake up, American people.
Wake up, American people.
I want to show you what they do.
Wake up, world leaders.
The whole road. See, that's all police shut down to make sure they are able to peacefully protest. All the cars will be stopped just for you to be able to peacefully protest. This is what happens every time. As you can see, traffic will be stopped in every direction. This is a big intersection. Big intersection, four-way. All these cars here. Leading motorcycle. The lead our passing in. We are headed to the IMF as we speak. While back.
We are dying. You are funding.
Wake up, American people.
Wake up, American people.
Hey, boss. Can we put some music on? That also helps. Our power. Our power.
Our power. Our power. Everywhere, wake up, American people. We are dying. You are paying. You are dying. We are dying. We are dying. We are dying. You are paying. We are dying. You are paying.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Biden.
Wake up, Blinken.
Wake up, Blinken.
Wake up, human rights.
Human rights.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, world leaders.
Wake up, American citizens.
Wake up, American people.
Wake up, America.
Wake up, America.
Wake up, world back.
Wake up, world back.
Wake up, IMF.
We are dying. You are paying.
IMF. We are dying. You are paying.
We are dying. You are paying.
Wake up, American people. Wake up, American people. We are dying. You are paying.
Really?
Wake up, world leaders. Share the message, sister.
Wake up, American people. We are dying. You are paying. Really? Wake up, IMF. Wake up, IMF. We are dying. You are paying.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding.
Uganda is bleeding. nation.